In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn search filters effectively. Whether you're seeking new job opportunities or networking within your industry, mastering LinkedIn search functionality can optimize your professional journey. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com into your address bar. Once there, if you don't have an account yet, feel free to sign up. But if you're already a member, simply click on the sign in button. You can choose the convenience of signing in with your Google or Microsoft account, or stick to the traditional method by entering your email address and password. Now, if you've enabled two-factor authentication, great choice for enhanced security. LinkedIn might prompt you for verification using a code sent to your registered phone number. Keep your cell phone handy so that you can quickly enter the code and verify your account. Once you're logged in, your feed will be loaded up with the latest updates and posts from your connections. Navigate to the top menu and click on Jobs. This section is where we begin to utilize LinkedIn's powerful search options. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a search bar. Here, start by typing in what you're looking for. It could be a job title like marketing manager or a specific role such as software engineer. Enter your query and let LinkedIn work its magic. After you've entered your search terms, you'll see a variety of job listings populate the screen. But if you're looking to refine these results according to your specific needs, look for the All Filters option, which is typically located on the left side of the search results page. This is your gateway to narrowing down results precisely. Within the filters, LinkedIn offers several options to tailor your search. You can filter by connection level if you're keen to leverage your network, or align your search with a specific location if you're looking for roles in a particular city or region. Job function, industry, experience level, and company size are other valuable filters that allow you to sift through the vast array of listings in a more structured way. If you're someone who values working within specific industries, this is where you can make those preferences known. Narrow down your search by selecting industries that align with your expertise and interests. This way, your search results will be much more relevant. Once you've set all your desired filters, go ahead and click on Show Results. LinkedIn will then present you with a list of job opportunities that match your criteria, making your job search more efficient and effective. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using LinkedIn search filters to find opportunities that best fit your professional ambitions. Happy LinkedIn searching, and may this powerful tool propel your career to new heights.